Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You're welcome. If this is your first time, you're welcome. My name is Elijah Alice. We got a LED light, sorry. We got a LED light. And a tripod stand. That is area tripod stand. So on board with me. Today is not just how to cut and sew back. We're not cutting and sewing back today. We're actually unboxing our light and our tripod. Can you see we have an area tripod stand? That is what you saw on the screen. If you don't know what area tripod stand is, it's good for content creators. Like if you are doing tutorials, you are cooking video, how to cut and sew on the table. So you need this area tripod stand. It's very, very good. So that is what we are unboxing today. So first thing I'm doing now is to open up the leg. This is the leg for the area tripod stand. So I'm going to open it up like this. Just watch me. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Watch to the end, guys. You will love this. Watch it to the end. So you see now, I just open it up. And it's what I am doing right now. I want you to stay tuned and watch. Happy New Year, guys. This is our first video for the year. Happy New Year. God bless you. How was your Christmas celebration? You are welcome to my channel. My name is Elijah Alice, and on this channel we do everything bag making, how to cut and sew back. But on this video today I'm going to be showing you how to unbox this. So now I've opened up the leg. So the next thing that I am going to be doing right now is to now bring it out, increase it. So you will lose that knot. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Then you bring it up. If you want it to be very high, any height you want, it's very high. Can you see it? I've not increased it finish. No, it's very, very high. So now this is our area tripod view. This one is called area arm. It came with a phone holder. It came with a phone holder. Can you see? And then it also came with a ball head. Can you see that ball head? Yes. It came with a ball head that we use to connect the phone holder to the area arm. That is what I am doing now. So we are going to watch me as I connect the area arm to the tripod. Watch me as I connect it. So if this is your first time of seeing my channel, this channel is all about bag making. Everything bag, how to sew, how to cut bag, lunch bag, school bag and all that. So I'm still increasing it. Can you see? I still increase it like this. So after increasing it, I will carry my area arm. This one is called area arm. The stand is the tripod, while this one is area arm. I'm going to take it, then screw. There's a screw there. I will screw it back, and then after fixing it inside, I'm going to screw it. So can you see? I've already put it inside. Then I will screw it. I will tighten it. So guys, if you are a tutorial content creator, you need this area arm. It will save you a lot of stress. If you are doing cooking video, you need it. It will save you a lot of stress. So that is it. So the next thing is to fix the phone holder. Can you see? So I'm going to be putting the ball head. Can you see the way I'm doing it? I'll put the ball head like this. Then I will tighten it. Make sure you tighten it so that your phone will not go and fall off. Tighten it very well. Then you now fix it on it. You fix it on the area arm. That is what I am doing right now. You fix it like this. Can you see the way I am doing it? You fix it just like this. Make sure it is tight so that your phone will not go and fall off. So this is where we'll be putting our phone. Sorry, the phone I'm using, the phone I'm supposed to put is what I'm using to do video. So I don't have another phone to put. I only have one phone. I would have put a phone for you to see how it is. But I don't have this. That is the phone I'm using. So this is the area tripod stand. This is how to set it. I've set it. So the next thing to do now is to unbox our LED lights. I don't know why I'm saying ring light. It's not ring light, it's LED light. So that is the wire to charge, to connect it. If you are not going to be, this is the adapter. The adapter, if you are not going to be using it with battery, you can plug in. Then when there is light, you can just use the adapter. You remove the battery. And please, so when you want to use it with, when you want to plug it to light, remove the battery. You don't put the battery, you will kill it. Then this is the battery charger. This is the battery charger. So what you do now is, if you want to charge your battery, you just take your battery and then you will fix it to the battery charger. Can you see? You fix the battery to the battery charger and then you will charge it. That is how to charge it. So the battery is 4,400 mAh. So that is the capacity of the battery, 4,400 capacity. So what we do is that you just take the battery. I just want to quickly show you how to do it. Then when you take the battery, you slide it. There's a hole there. You slide it like this. You see now? I slide it inside. Can you see that it's showing green? Because the battery is fully charged. That is why it's showing green. When the battery is low now, it will be showing red. It's showing green because the battery is fully charged. Can you see? So if you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. God bless you. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, if you like sewing tutorials, bag making, traveling bag, school bag, lunch box, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And then we have so many videos on this channel that teach you how to sew different type of lunch box. Please make sure you watch. So we have this head that came with it. Yes, this one is what we use to connect the light to the tripod. So now let's fix it. You will put it like this. Can you see? This is the tripod, this is the head. You will now screw it and make sure it's also tight. Make sure it's tight so that your light will not go and fall off. Can you see it? Make sure it's tight. So I've tightened it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to carry the light. This is the thing. This is the main thing. It's to carry the light. And let me quickly show you some things on this light. This is the back. That is where you fix your battery. That is where you will on it. This place to on it. Then that second place is to increase the light, and then while the other place is to change, to change the color. One is to change the color, the other one is to increase or dim the light. That is what all those buttons are standing for. Then those buttons by the side of the battery is to help you remove the battery easily without pulling it. So this is the light. Can you see how beautiful it is? Please like this video. Give us a thumbs up. If you are a tailor, you need. If you are a fashion designer, you are a bag maker, you need this. I got it from an Instagram vendor, Body and Home Essential. Yes, I bought it from her. It's very good. So now can you see the hole? It has two holes. If you want to make it portrait, you use this side. You want to make it landscape, so I want to connect it like this. So you put it there, you put it, and then you move it around to set it. So you move it around like that. Can you see? Make sure it's tight. As you are screwing it like that, make sure it's tight. So I'm done. It's tight now. Make sure it's very tight so your light will not go to pieces. So then I'll bring it down a little. It's too high for me. You can bring it down to any level you want. Make sure it's tight, and then before you now on your light. So what we are going to do, after you have tightened it, you fix your battery. So you take your two battery and fix. If your battery is low, charge your battery down. Are you see? So I'm taking my battery now. I'm going to slide it in. We have holes there. We have small in that battery. So you take it like this and then you will slide it into that place. Can you see it, guys? So easy, so beautiful, so useful. So thank you so much for watching. Watch our other videos. So now I've fixed the battery. The next thing to do now is to now open the light and on it. Let's on it. Thank you for staying tuned to this time. I'm so happy. So it is time to on it. Wow, I just on it. Can you see how bright this light is? Can you see it? It's so bright. It's so bright. Can you see how bright it is? So you can decide to reduce the brightness. You can decide to increase it. Can you see how bright it is? You can decide to increase it. Yes. You can decide to reduce it. You can decide to change the color. We have the yellow. We have the yellow and white. And then we have the pure white. Yes, we have the yellow and white, and then we have the pure white. Wow, I love this light. Thank you for watching to this extent. Watch our school bag video, lunch bag, traveling bag video. Guys, we need to monetize. We are getting close to monetization. Please watch our videos so that we can be monetized. So this is the real thing. I'm so happy. I'm happy. Thank you, guys. Please watch our videos, like our videos. That is where you will put your phone. Sorry, I don't have another phone I would have put there for you. If you are doing tutorial videos, you need to put your phone there, and then you start making your video. So guys, sorry, I quickly need to show you something. If you want to bend the light, if you are doing tutorial video and you want the light to face your table, you can bend it like this. Can you see? There's a knot there that there's a something there that you will lose. Is it not? Now what do we call it? A screw there. When you screw it, you will bend it. If you want it to face up, you can face it up. If you want it to face down, you can face it down. Can you see? So then if you want it to face your table, if you want it to face your cooking pot, maybe you are a content cooking, you are in the cooking channel of the sorry guys, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. So now I want to off it. You off it there. After you off it, then you remove your battery. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. If you have watched to this channel, I'm grateful. I want to this extent. God bless you. Please subscribe, like, and share. Give us a thumbs up. God bless you. Bye.